What? For the world, it's not a plan. Yo, hear me, man. Hey, yo. Franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When you come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing, don't it? You don't know what go. When we aim up, load up, crank up, sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch out, man. You don't know the people's champion. You don't know a Gaza favorite. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man. Yeah, them afraid away. Them a make tough talk, but you know them scare away. Yo! Me hear some people a chat and a go on, you know. And them forgot, you know. But Mr. Money, don't know Mr. Money, you know. Azri, you know. I remind them, you know. Of who them are, you know. So when you see Quartad come out big and bold, you know. But him a post up thing on IG, you know. About Massacre, the new king and whatever, you know. Nobody not afraid of Vibes Cartel like Quartad. I want to know that. And if you think I lie, me I tell, you can go watch back on stage. Remember on stage we see Quartad company, you know. A ball living high water like a girl, you know. To Winfred Williams, you know. I same fear for him life or anything happen to him at Vibes Cartel, you know. Remember him one of the first man them who try to put down the G, you know. Yes, what I deal with after the G build him up, you know, and make him recognize in Jamaica, and make the whole Jamaica know him, you know. Yes, what I deal with, and when him feel like him too big, what you think him do? When the G station and now cope with nothing where I deal with because him a misbehave and the man them have to put him in his place. What you think him do? Eh? Come out and a share light like him want violate the general. You see what I say? Real way. And a joke thing. So, I don't have to ask you know. All of them where you hear a tweet and a chat up their mouth. The general there road, my virgin, no farmer chatting. You think if the general there road, they think some man would run up their mouth and a chat about them or this or that. Eh? You don't believe that? Right about now, you know. I want to know, you know. You see the place get real steam up here now. Because I don't want people to know say right now, you know. Him, you know. I one of the man, you know. This is where I deal with. Who, you know. They behind Vibes Cartel, you know. Which is right, you know. I don't ever think that a joke, you know. It's not even a joke talk. Because here I go on. Me not think, you know. Them, you know, where you hear a talk, you know. Them not have lyrics like I do and I know. And even if them do have lyrics like I do and I know, it left to be proven in a Gaza nation. You see what I deal with? So, all of who you hear run down spot and a run down this and a run down that. You know we're not afraid to call name because we not tell no lie on YouTube, you know. We not deal with cloud thing. Alkaline, Massacre, them not ready for I do and yet. Because let me tell you something. All the ear man a jump up and down and a go on record. When him touch the stage is a total different scenario. And none of them when I see a go a chat up them mouth. Not dominate stage. Them not popcorn. Them not in a popcorn class when it come on to stagecraft and stage work. Remember teacher already show popcorn all of the shortcut on the stage already, you know. And how to destroy that, you know. Them not stay them way there. Them not comfortable on the stage. But them comfortable in the studio for them behind the mic and make big talk. But let me tell you something. On rate an artist and say, well, yo, the artist is phenomenal. That means him complete. You see me? That means him is a complete artist. Him have it in every direction and every pocket. On a grade of artist. Eh? Stay in the studio and chat up your mouth for mic. Why don't bring that to the stage and make the people them see how versatile and how wicked them is? Eh? And I think we can deal with Gaza thing like some form of joke thing. And I hear man all chat up their mouth and I gone back in some local waste argument. At this time, pointed time, you know, teacher can't clash nobody, you know. The general there in a penitentiary, you know. I want to know that, you know. Stop act like the general there road, you know. Owner there road, you know. Get some hit song, no man, and get some international recognition, no, my brother. Why you can't do that? Right now, everybody and their mother know say, the general never there a road. The general never there behind the bars and there a road. Explosion thing going out a road. Because the general already control dancehall already, And even the international market, And just because the general they are behind the bars. And them people, they now go pump them money in a farmer business with you behind the bars. Them are going to want you outside for promote and all of these things. Because if the general they road fever, they have to have international crossover and new video and a lollipop thing, my virgin. I want to know that, And some boy to make sure them know, I hear chat about this and I chat about that, Remember, a teacher write girls, gold selling, my brother. No, remember all them stuff there? Remember a teacher first, help bust out Rihanna, her first album she do in her life, Remember a teacher response to how much writing on it, Only did know that, and two teacher now walk and chat up him mouth like a bitch, feel like say well then, a from farmer joke thing. You think teacher run down credit? You understand what I deal, understand what I say, Alright, I know, for bloggers, I want to know how you feel right now. Because I see you there and I switch like some electrical circuit, all over the place, yo. As a Gaza man, I hold my credibility, I hold my order. I sound the big thing them when I'm ready, when I feel like, or if I think I have to. I not jump up and drop necessary equipment off of every little thing when I see. You don't have to know how we do it, And a joke thing when you hear we coming on and sound the big thing them, you don't have to know what I go on, I make me tell you something right now, Mr. Honest. Right now, Mr. Man, I not hear nothing more about the world boss and the Justice Department, And I want to know what really are going on, And I want to know if you can't manage the work, my brethren. That mean, you need to get rid of them old foot there, my brethren, and get some new people in action, Some new young people who vigilant enough, Because it not look like you know what you do, How much months how much years you need for read all those conscripts and get things together. It don't look like you know what you do, And I don't know joke thing, Right now the world have one as macro, on the system, Because I don't know the lollipop thing, You know what I mean? Yo, no free the world boss right now. Is what I deal that the world, I say, free the whole world boss. I make me tell you something. Because I hear Scatterburrell, come out and make the man them know, Say all you not talk about Chopper, Vibes Cartel response to that. Because him the man, the dynamic artist who can go both, who can go trap and go hardcore. Because him wicked and weird there. But here what go on. What you say? Enough light no shine pan trap music right about now. I told the general there behind the bars, that's why I think if Vibes Cartel there road that to that happen, trap get big it long time and tear up international scene because all of the international artists want to work with the general Vibes Cartel. I don't know another joke thing I deal with. That's what I deal with. But anyway, I want to look for Magneto video, because the video they are going to drop, because him youth them are going to drop the video sometime soon. But right now, you don't know a world government me wait for because the baddest video that I going to drop in a dance hall anytime it drop, I'm